There comes a moment in a man's life when he realizes something brutal. The noise is killing him. The opinions are weakening him. The comfort is slowing him down. And the version of himself that everyone knows is not the version he was meant to become. So he disappears. Not to run, not to hide, but to rebuild. Right now, you are too visible, too accessible, too available to people, habits, and distractions that don't deserve access to you. Every message, every scroll, every unnecessary conversation, it's draining your edge. You don't need to announce your plans. You don't need to explain your process. You don't need validation while you're becoming dangerous. The strongest transformations happen in silence. Think about a storm. It doesn't warn the city. It doesn't post updates. It forms quietly. Then it hits with force. That's what 2026 needs to be for you. Not a loud year. A lethal one. Disappearing doesn't mean doing nothing. It means cutting off the weak inputs so you can double down on the hard work. It means choosing solitude over distraction, discipline over dopamine, progress over praise. Most people are loud when they're doing nothing and silent when they're winning. You've been living life with too many open tabs in your mind. Other people's expectations, other people's timelines, other people's opinions. No wonder you're tired. When you disappear, you reclaim your mental territory. You stop performing for others and start building for yourself. That's when real growth begins. A lion doesn't train in front of spectators. It prepares in isolation. You need that season. A season where nobody knows what you're doing. A season where nobody sees the sacrifices. A season where nobody believes in the outcome except you. That's not loneliness. That's unwavering focus. You don't come back unrecognizable by accident. You come back unrecognizable because you suffered in private. Early mornings when no one was watching. Late nights when quitting felt easier. Days when progress was invisible but discipline stayed intact. That's the forge. Most men want results without reconstruction. That's impossible. To become unrecognizable, the old identity has to die. The procrastinator, the excuse maker, the comfort chaser. They don't come with you into 2026. And here's the part most people avoid. Disappearing will cost you relationships. Not because you're selfish, but because growth changes proximity. Some people only knew the old you, the accessible you, the predictable you. When you stop feeding their expectations, they'll call you distant. Let them. You're not here to be understood by everyone. You're here to build something undeniable. Disappearing also means doing the boring work consistently. No hype. No applause. Just reps. Training when motivation is gone. Working when the results haven't shown up yet. Choosing discipline when your emotions scream otherwise. That's how men are built. Not in bursts, but in grind. Fire doesn't explode instantly. It starts as a spark, then grows through sustained heat. Every day you stay locked in while others drift. You're stacking pressure. And pressure creates diamonds. When you disappear, you stop negotiating with yourself. No more "I'll start tomorrow." No more "I deserve a break." No more half-effort days. You operate with standards, not feelings. And that's when things shift fast. Mentally first, then physically, then externally. People think transformation is visible first. Wrong. It happens in the mind. The way you talk to yourself changes. The way you tolerate weakness disappears. The way you move through discomfort hardens. By the time the world notices, the work has already been done. You don't come back talking about what you're going to do. You come back as proof. Your body speaks. Your habits speak. Your presence speaks. No explanation required. And understand this. Disappearing isn't forever. It's strategic. You're not isolating to escape life. You're isolating to dominate it. You go quiet so you can go deep. Deep into skill. Deep into discipline. Deep into purpose. Most people skim life. You're about to drill. There will be moments in this season where doubt tries to creep in. Moments where you wonder if anyone will notice. Pause. That's your ego talking. This isn't about being seen. It's about becoming. Storms don't care if anyone is watching. They just move forward. By the time 2026 arrives, you shouldn't recognize the man in the mirror. Not because you changed for attention, but because you respected yourself enough to do the hard work in silence. You didn't vanish to disappear. You vanished to sharpen. And when you come back, your discipline will scare people. Your confidence will confuse them. Your results will silence them. That's when they'll ask, "What happened to you?" And you won't explain. You'll just keep moving. Because the man you become in silence never needs to announce himself. If this message lit a fire in you, then it's time to act. Drop this in the comments right now. I disappear and come back unrecognizable, so that I know you stayed all the way till the end. And you will commit to the grind and return as a completely new man in 2026.